Hi everyone, my name is Tim Sawyer from Track and Trace Solutions, and this video will basically give you an understanding of how to load MobileREX into your Android PDA scanner. So let's start with the first step. To get going, you'll need to subscribe to MobileREX at mobilerex@trackandtrace.com.au. When you subscribe to that email address, please add your company name, your first and last name, a contact number. When you want to start MobileREX, when you want to end, there is a minimum of 1 year, and the number of outlets that you would like to use MobileREX at. Okay, once you send that email through and request MobileREX, you will receive an email like below. And basically it will look like this. It'll be a welcome to MobileREX, and it'll ask you to download the MobileREX APK file. So this is the program that is MobileREX, and this is the URL address. So before we get going, you will need to, and I've just got one of my PDAs plugged in, and we'll need to give it an internet connection. So we pull down the top of the screen, and you can see on the far left hand side here, top left, that I'm connected. So that's OCOM_20B6_2.4G. So I'm already connected, but you will need to make sure you connect to your Wi-Fi before we get going. Once you do get going, once you've got your internet connection, you'll need to grab this URL. So the easiest way, you can key it in or you can scan it in. So what I've done is I've managed to just scan it in, and I went to a site. If I can find that site for you. And it's somewhere around here. Now I've just gone to a just any barcode generator site. I have just plugged in, you can see the URL here, and all it does is you just create it. You can go a QR code or a code 128, doesn't matter. And it will create an image. There's a 2D barcode there. So all I'm going to do is I've printed out that barcode, and it's going to now start downloading. And it'll be in the downloads folder, and that shouldn't take too long to download. Once you have downloaded MobileREX, go into your download folder, open or select it, and install. So that should run, and if you've got any problems, it may ask you to approve the app. Just follow the instructions there and you should be fine. But yeah, that should be it. Once it has downloaded, go into pull the screen up and search down for MobileREX. Now you will see it here. Hold your finger down and drag it across to the main screen or home screen, and now you can open up MobileREX, and you will be asked some information. Now you're going to need to open up your MobileREX app now and just plug in your email address and the password that was provided to you, the temporary password that was provided to you on the welcome email, MobileREX email. So if you can plug that in, I've actually bypassed that, but when you do that for the first time, what you'll see is below. So that'll be, you'll log into your MobileREX app again with your email and your temporary password, and then you'll put in your new password, and then you need to record that somewhere. Just make sure you don't lose it, and then confirm that new password again, and then you should be up to where I am, which is here, and then you just log in. Okay, so you can see on your device you now are requested to provide an API key, and you can key that in here. But to get that, we need to log into our Retail Express account. So it actually tells you where to find that. So it's Settings, Integrations, API Management. So if we go into Settings, and you can see Integrations, and then API Management. Pretty straightforward. And then all we need to do is give it a name, so Track and Trace. And I'll just call this the location TNT Warehouse. There you go. And then we generate that. That's a subscription with that name already exists. And that's okay as well. We can just, I've been playing around with it, so I've already created that. And if we scroll down, it's usually on the bottom if that's the last time we've been playing with it, but you can see I'm about third from the bottom there, TNT Warehouse. So we're just going to grab the primary key, which is the third field, and we're just going to do a copy and paste of that. Okay, so I just highlight it, copy, and we go back into our device, and paste. Once you've done that, you select this Save API key, which I've already done, and that'll bring up all the different sites that you've got now. Okay. So yeah, it's important to refresh that API key, and we've got 3 sites that we can choose from. Okay. Now, if, like me, if you can't copy and paste and you haven't plugged your device in, you can once again create this number with the barcode generator and just scan it in with your PDA scanner. Simple as that. So once you've selected your site, if there's only one site, just select it, and you're now ready to use MobileREX.